Hi everybody, this is Roger. We have a small change in how the release liner works on our adhesive attachments. So this is the old style of attachment. It had a single slit in the release liner like this, and the cutout was oriented at an angle. On the new adhesive attachments, our tape supplier has changed the release liner so it has two slits in it. And in order to make this work better, we've reoriented the cutout in the tape. So the way to get started with this is just do a little tug on the tape like this. That will get the release liner to start to come off. And then you can hang on to the tape by the two release liners on the edges and apply it to the sensor like this. And then to get these side liners off, it works best to tip things over and pull that off and lay that down, and the same with the other one. And then lay that down. So then you can get the tape down nice and smooth.